How to share Google Drive link with others. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then in here tap on this menu icon. After that, we'll have to scroll down and tap on this Drive option. After that, it will automatically open your account. So in here, how do we share Google Drive link? So first, what we need to do is to get the link. So as an example, I'm going to select this file and then after that, tap on these three dots and then tap on the share option. So in here, what we need to do is to go on this general access. Under that, make sure that the settings is set to anyone with the link. Once you're done with that, you can also change the rule from viewer, commenter, or editor. But as for me, I'm just gonna select viewer. After that, tap on this copy link option and then tap on done. Once you have the link, you can now share the Google Drive link with others. You can share it through social medias like Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger. But as an example, I'm just gonna share it through email. So I'm just gonna open my email and then tap on this compose option. And then in here, we'll have to add an email where we want to share or send the link. And then I'm just gonna add a subject. And then after that, I'm going to add a message here. So I'm just gonna type here, hi, here's the link for the video. And then after that, I'm just gonna right click and then tap on the paste option. After that, tap on send. So that's how easy we can share Google Drive link with others. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.